Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Clash Royale account. So let's get started. To delete your account in Clash Royale, first of all, open the Clash Royale application on your device. Once you're in the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Tap on More Settings. Now after you open up the More Settings option, look for Delete My Account button at the bottom. Tap on Delete My Account. And then this will take you to Clash Royale support page where you can scroll down and tap on Delete My Data. Follow through the instruction after tapping on the Delete My Data button and you will then be able to initiate permanent closure and deletion of the game account. This includes all in-game currency and progress, whether paid or not. So that's how you easily delete your Clash Royale account using the Clash Royale application. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.